So we're back with another video, and I think this is a video that's been long awaited, and we're finally getting to it. So we ran a competition last year, and the winner was announced in January, right? The car came in by March, and we finally get into the car. So I think in my last video, if I remember correctly, we actually done a rough idea of what a rough video of, or I've given you guys a rough guide of what we're gonna do on the car. This time we're gonna go and try and get into it and try and get this project started. So one of the reasons why we've delayed is because we're trying to get basically all the sponsors involved, and trying getting everybody here at the same time is just, it's painstaking. So it's been dragging week over week over week over week, and I just decided now today, let's just, let me do the video, let me get it done, and let me get this process started. So our competition winner, basically 3 to 5. So this is a 3 to 5i/2 plastic bumper. The original color of the car, if I'm not mistaken, is Zenova, right? But let me just confirm that and just see what sticker is given on here. So while I'm doing that, I know that we might do a color change on the car, right? Let's confirm this. So it's actually brilliant red. So the original color is actually brilliant red, and you can actually see in the engine bay here. You can actually see the brilliant red, and this here looks like Zenova. So I know that the color code on the car was a bit controversial, and we're still going to confirm the color. So let's just go through the car quickly and go through what we're going to do on the vehicle, what we're expecting of the vehicle. And obviously I'm going to try and get a time lapse of the build out to it, but we've got a couple of sponsors and things are going to basically happen on its, basically when it's due, right? So let's start off. Paint, we're going to take this car down. We know that we've got another layer of paint on top of here. We've got the Zenova red that's on top of the brilliant red now. So my idea was basically, at first, initial was to blast the car, but I don't think we should go with a blast on the vehicle, right? But what we are going to do is we are going to paint strip this car down to metal. We're going to identify the problem areas. There is rust creeping up in certain places of the car. It'll expose itself once we do get onto metal, but I know that in the boot area there is some rust areas. The pedal has been repaired before, but we are going to lift that. The sunroof has got rust on the lid. So we are going to find rust in funny areas, right? And we'll tackle that when we go. So when we do find rust, we'll blast further as we go on. But we do know that the car is going to get a color change. For now, we don't know what color it is, right? So I'm going to wait for Dylan. If you're watching this video, drop a comment and let me know what colors you have in mind. Then Shane at Zen Parts, between Shane and Zen Parts and us at Ratical, we're going to decide on engine build. We might build engine. Zen most likely will sponsor the engine parts, and I know that they are doing the suspension. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a decision to say, okay, fine, are we going to drop the car onto the jig? How are we going to start the build? Or are we just taking motor out for now, or what are we doing? Then we are gonna go back and we are gonna change. So new water bottle, washer bottle, we're gonna do most likely. We're gonna try and freshen this car up as best as possible, right? So your bonnet sponges. We want to give the car back as fresh as possible, right? So us doing the spray work on the car, Zen Parts definitely coming in and doing the suspension work. Between Zen and Ratical again, we'll be doing the engine work. Wesley's going to come in. Wesley had a look at the interior already. The seats in here are good, but Wesley doesn't want to do something for the car, so I was hoping to get him in here, but like I say, just to get everybody together for this video is such a mission. Right, so door cards, I don't really want to do anything on the door cards unless Dylan wants to. Carpet, what we're going to do is I would like to maintain the original carpet. So I'm suggesting the carpet looks like it's in decent shape. I'll have a look at the driver's side there. I don't really see much. My suggestion is that we lift the carpet up we have it steam clean, and do what I do with the other restos, and we use the original carpet in the car. These seats have been recovered, so we're going to make a decision to say, okay, fine, it has got the wrong grain, so most likely this here is not Napa. This here is going to be vinyl. It is very soft, but again, it's vinyl, so I'll speak to Wesley, see what Wesley is going to do on the vehicle. Then we've got these sills missing here, we've got these drums missing here, and we want to try and get this car as, not try, it must be complete. The one thing that I do want to do on this vehicle, right? So it's a 325i/2. I think this car was auto before and made manual. So it's a /2A. So it's not a shadow line or anything of the sort. However, it still is a plastic bumper to roll. So whatever color we're going to choose on the car, I'm going to opt to shadow line black all the drums. I just find that it looks nicer, it looks cleaner, and it gives the shadow line look to the car. And the shadow line look for me just does justice. Wheels, we're gonna go with the same wheels. I'm gonna turn to our guys at Ozza, at Ozza's Fitment. So it's actually Wheels by Ozza, to recon the wheels for us. And he's gonna tackle the exhaust build as well. So Uncle Tom from TNT opted to sponsor the branches, but if you guys have seen last week or the week before, there was a post that they are closing down. So branches and exhaust boxes, for now, we're in limbo on that, right? So we've got paint covered, we've got engine covered, we've got suspension, and the rest of the drivetrain to the rear suspension covered. Gearbox in here, we're just going to do a service on the gearbox, make sure that there's no leaks, make sure the seals are good, do an oil change on it, do a flush, do an oil change on it, and sort it, right? Backboard, I would like to try and maintain this backboard. This is an original backboard. We're going to try and get it cleaned out and leave it like that, but we want to try and maintain that board. Then I need to move back in. So again, with the booth area, right, we're not going with a fancy install. We want to try and go as basic OEM as possible with this car. So that's my goal. So if there's a color change, yes, there'll be a color change, but it'll be an OEM color change, and we'll take from there. So okay, the boot is Thermocar. We haven't touched this car, we haven't stripped it, we haven't done anything as yet. I would like to maintain the same tool tray, right? You can see that the tool tray is actually in good nick. I would like to maintain this here, obviously get the sponging sorted out. Let's just see what's in here now. So we've got the spongy. I would actually like to maintain this one here because the aftermarket ones sold are very narrow and they just look crappy to me. That's my personal opinion. The boot carpet, we're gonna take them out first and we're gonna see how clean they really are, right? If they're in good nick, I'm gonna opt again for a deep clean, a steep clean, a steam clean, and basically reuse them in the car, right? And I have recarpeted other boot carpets, but to get this shape is not easy. Then with your drums here, I'm gonna restore these drums here, right? There is a slight crack here, but I'm gonna restore them. We're gonna try and maintain as much as we can on the vehicle without just doing unnecessarily and wasting. So part of restoration is basically restoring what you can restore, and obviously where you need to replace, but you don't have to just go out and replace everything just like that. So our guys at Autosound Gezina, they've opted basically to do a dash for us. I'm going to speak to Abdul. Let's get the dash done, but if we're going to do the dash, then we're going to do a full kit. We're going to do dash, center console, handbrake console, we're going to do the kick panel, we're going to do the cabio, right? Then I just want to see this carpet while I am on the side. So this carpet looks like it's in good nick, right? So there's my answer there. I would rather take this carpet out, have it cleaned up, have it steam cleaned, and reused in here. And I think we're going to go for that. And I think we're going to go with it. I don't like the looks of the aftermarket carpets. The look, texture, feel, it's basically, I find it wrong. So if we want to try and go for the OEM look, I think this is the way we're going to go for it. Then we've got our other sponsors involved. We've got Yasser at Best Drive, Lenasia, and best drive Lenasia and super quick Lenasia. So Yasser is basically, he'll handle our tire balancing, our wheel alignments, and so on like that. We've got GAC, our guys at Global Auto Coatings. So Riven and them, you know the story with them guys. I will sort paint out. So they will be here with us as well when we're doing the color option on the car, and they will take care of it. Atul will spray the car, but Global will handle the paint supply on it. Okay, so we got Essops Mobi Mac that's also coming as a sponsor and basically sponsoring his time, knowledge, experience, and so on like that. And he's basically come on and said, guys, listen here, that I will help you with any mechanical work for the car, right? Okay, so we got our sponsors basically, right? So let's just go over our sponsors quickly. So we got Ratical Inc coming in with the ball basically. So we're going to be doing paint, strip and assembly on the vehicle. Then we've got Sonax, they're gonna come in basically maintain the paint. We'll get a Sonax package for him. We're gonna do a ceramic coat on the vehicle as well to give him extra protection basically. We've got the guys from GAC, that's Global Auto Coating, so that's Riven and his team. They're coming through basically with paint work on the car, so they'll be supplying the paint material for the car. We've got the guys at Zen has been doing awesome. They will be supplying us basically with parts, suspension parts, engine parts, and so on like that. We've got Wesley from STYLETECH basically looking, even though the interior doesn't need any work, but Wesley's looking for some work on the interior. We've got Autosound Gezina basically going to do dashboard for us. We've got Wheels by Ozza, who's going to tackle our refurbishing of our wheels and maybe exhaust. Unfortunately, TNT is out. Then we've got Yasser from Super Wheel and Tire and Lenasia, Super Wheel Tire Lenasia and Super Quick Lenasia. We'll be doing our wheel alignment, balancing, and basically our nitty-gritties from there. Right, we got Essops Mobi Mac that will be supplying time and his labor, his time, his experience, and it's time. Everything is just got to do time, do about time on this guy here. So for now, we got those sponsors involved, right? I will be going further in the boat to bring up any other sponsors that's come on board or existing sponsors that will be taking a role on the vehicle. So let's just go back to this quickly. So we know we're going definitely with paint work on the car. Color we're still going to decide on. Motor, we're going stock on motor. We're going to refresh the motor, basically getting it back to a reliable state, a driving state, and so on like that. Water bottles, all your calories that we either going to basically change. If we see that we can reuse it and clean it, we're going to do that. I would offer a change right now, but also depending on sponsors, right? So I would like to get more guys involved, and we'd like to do more balls like this. I told you guys I would like to do one a year, then move over to 2 a year, but we need to make it possible with the sponsors. So engine bay, we got that basically sorted out. Exhaust is in limbo at this point in time, so I will advise as we get there closer to the time what we're going to do on the exhaust. Seats, we know Wesley's going to come in and he's going to put his touch somewhere in this car. Autosound Gezina, again, also going to put their touch somewhere in with dashboards and so on like that. Carpet, we're going to take carpet out, we're going to reuse it, but we are going to have the carpet steam clean. So while the carpet is out, we're going to pull the carpets out, pull the mats out, go through the floor of the car and see what we find there. If we don't find anything bad, we're going to freshen it up, get the car back to put together. Same thing in the booth. Wheels are going to be refurbished. Sunroof lid most likely going to be replaced. The stance of the car, we're going to have a look at the shocks, have a look at the springs. We might do shocks on the car and keep the springs. This car's actually got a very nice drop to it, and I think that we'll actually get it looking very good on this wheel here. But let's see what happens. Let's see as we go on. So guys, I need your help here with liking, subscribing, and sharing it. I'm gonna try and turn it into like almost like a small show of how we do the build, right? But I can only do it with your help. So do what you gotta do: like, subscribe, and share. Let's spread the word out there. Let's get the hype ready for this car. Cheers, guys.